making things for other people, I finally made something for myself. Welcome back everybody to the Dad Cave channel. Thanks for tuning in. In today's episode, I'm not building anything, I'm showing you something. And I'm gonna show you my shop. I'm gonna show you my garage. I'm gonna show you my garage that I turned into a shop. Also, I'm gonna share with you some of the projects that I have coming up in this next year for 2020. I got a couple of big ones. I got a couple that are gonna probably take multiple videos to do. Take you on a quick tour of the shop. And yeah, it's a two-car garage. It'll be quick. So there's a 360 view of my shop. You can kind of see the layout that I have and how I have everything set up. This side of the garage is primarily my workspace for all of my projects and everything that I'm working on regards to wood. I had the section there where my TV was mounted along with my laptop. I also do computer work, so that's where I do that. And the other side is where I have my gym set up to try to help fight off that dad bod. Got to work on that a little bit more in this next coming year as well. But anyhow, I thought I'd go ahead and share with you some of the stuff that I have here. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff going on. It looks like madness, and it kind of is. So let me just show you what I got here. This is a reclaimed window that I picked up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. My wife saw it. She has some ideas. So whatever she tells me to do, that's what we'll be doing with this one. And we'll make a video of that one and post that, so stay tuned for that. This is actually a barn door that somebody had created, and they didn't have the time to finish it. They didn't have the time to put it up, so they were looking just to get rid of it. They were actually going to throw it out, and I said, don't do that, I'll take it. I was planning to put it in my house. Unfortunately, the doorway is bigger than what this door is. Oh well. So instead, I'm going to do something different with it, and I think this is going to be the start of a farmhouse table. And so that'll be another video. Stay tuned for that. I got another project I'm working on. I'm doing custom shelves for a client. She has a couple of pocket watches that she wants to display. She wants a custom shelf to do it. So that one won't be a video because I've got to get that done in the next couple of days. And but I will post pictures on my social media, so you may want to check that out. If you're on Twitter, it's at the Dad Cave 79. On Facebook, the Dad Cave, and on Instagram, Dad Cave Creations. So check that out. If you have any of those social media platforms, connect with me there. The other thing I'm going to do is a wall-mounted bottle opener, and this one's going to have a magnet in the back of it that's actually going to catch your bottle cap as you open your bottle. So stay tuned for that one. I will make a video on that. I also got some gate hardware here. I'm going to be making a new doggy gate for inside of my house. The one that I have is just one of those metal gates that you use to keep kids out, and it's done. It's trashed. So it's time to make something a little bit more permanent and obviously better looking than just some piece of crap metal gate that you pick up at Home Depot. So in addition to that, I'm finally going to be building the bar that's going to go inside of my house. And that bar is probably going to take me a little while to complete. It's going to be a little bit more extensive than the last one I built, but I'm really excited to get started on that one. In fact, I've already bought the wood, and it's sitting here right now. Well, you can see it, but it's sitting here now, and it's actually acclimating. So I'm hoping to start that in the next couple of weeks here. When I do, I'm going to put that up in parts, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It'll be a multi-part series on that because it's going to be a pretty big build. The bar itself is going to be about 7 feet long, and it's going to include wine storage, also shelving for glasses and alcohol as well. And the top is going to consist of Talavera tile. So I'm really excited for this one as well. I think that's everything I have here. That's just to get started. One of the other things that I want to do this next year is I want to do more simple DIY projects that you can complete in a weekend. And I want to try to get those uploaded on a more regular basis. This is my first year starting the channel, and it's been very difficult between work, life, and obviously all the projects that I have going on to try to upload videos on a regular basis, but I'm going to try and do that this year. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to focus on more smaller projects that you can complete in a weekend. So somebody who maybe has a small space, maybe doesn't have a lot of tools, maybe you'll get some inspiration from that. One thing for sure is I'm definitely going to be making, like I said, some more DIY projects that involve drinking, because apparently people like them. And that's fine with me. I'm happy to do that as well. So that's it for the video. I just wanted to share with you just give you a quick shop tour and share with you some of the projects you can expect to see in the next year. So I hope you enjoyed your Christmas, and I hope you have a safe, happy, and prosperous new year. So from here in the Dad Cave, I will see you next year. And remember to get out there and build something today, because Dad said so.